Looking for a natural zero-calorie sweetener? Let's talk about the stevia plant, also known as nature's sweet leaf. Stevia, a small shrub native to South America, is well known for its sweet leaves that have been used for centuries by indigenous people. But what makes it truly special is that stevia is a natural, calorie-free sweetener. Stevia is often used as a sugar substitute in everything from drinks to baked goods. Unlike regular sugar, it doesn't raise your blood sugar levels, making it ideal for those with diabetes or anyone trying to reduce their sugar intake. A little goes a long way. Stevia is up to 300 times sweeter than sugar, so you only need a small amount to satisfy your sweet tooth. Looking to lose weight? Stevia is an excellent choice because it adds sweetness to your meals without adding calories. You can enjoy your favorite treats without worrying about weight gain. But that's not all. Stevia has several health benefits, such as improving insulin sensitivity, helping with blood sugar management, supporting oral health by reducing plaque and preventing cavities, and containing antioxidants, which can fight inflammation and protect your body from free radicals. How can you use stevia in your daily life? It's easy. Sweeten your coffee or tea with stevia leaves or liquid extract. Add it to smoothies and yogurt for a natural, healthy touch. Use stevia in baking for guilt-free desserts. Interested in growing your own stevia plant? It's surprisingly simple. Stevia thrives in warm climates and loves well-drained soil. You can grow it in your garden or even in a pot on your balcony. Whether you're looking for a healthy sugar substitute or a natural way to manage your blood sugar, stevia is a game changer. Try incorporating it into your diet today and enjoy the sweetness of nature. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more herbal tips and natural remedies.